Hello students, next point is Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Consider the given set of n plus 1 equidistant values of the function y equal to f of x, that is yn equal to f of xn. Let yn of x is a polynomial of nth degree. It is written as f of xn equal to yn, which is equal to a naught plus a1 into x minus xn plus a2 into x minus xn into x minus xn minus 1 plus a3 into x minus xn x minus xn minus 1 into x minus xn minus 2 plus and so on plus n into x minus xn into x minus xn minus 1 into x minus xn minus 2 and so on x minus x1. Give as equation number 1. Now putting x equal to xn, xn minus 1 and so on, x2, x1, x0 in equation 1. We obtain, first put x equal to xn, we get f of xn means a0 plus a1 into xn minus xn 0. Similarly here also the term xn minus xn means these terms are nothing but becoming 0. So yn equal to a naught, yn equal to a naught. Next put x equal to xn minus 1 in equation 1. We get f of xn minus 1 means yn minus 1, yn minus 1, which is equal to a naught plus a1 into xn minus 1 minus xn plus a2 into xn minus 1 minus xn into xn minus 1 minus xn minus 1 means these terms become 0. Similarly here also xn minus 1 minus xn minus 1 which is also equal to 0 means this term also equal to 0. Similarly up to this we get 0 0. So only remainings are a naught plus a1 into xn minus 1 minus xn. So yn minus 1 equal to a naught is yn, a naught equal to yn, yn minus 1 equal to yn plus a1, xn minus 1 minus xn is minus h because here x0, x1, x2 and so on xn. Interval of differencing is h, x1 minus x0 h, x2 minus x1 h. Here xn minus xn minus 1 is h, xn minus 1 equal to h. But here xn minus 1 minus xn. So xn minus 1 minus xn equal to minus h. From this we get minus h. So yn minus 1 equal to yn plus a1 into minus h, which implies a1h means this term goes here, we get plus a1h equal to yn as it is minus yn minus 1 goes here, we get minus yn minus 1 means a1h equal to yn minus 1 which implies a1 equal to yn minus 1 upon h. Yn minus 1 equal to del yn, since del yn equal to yn minus 1 means del yn upon h. Next put x equal to xn minus 1 in equation 1. We get f of xn minus 2 means yn minus 2 equal to a naught plus a1 xn minus 2 minus xn plus a2 into xn minus 2 minus xn into xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1 plus a3. Here xn minus 2 minus xn minus 2 equal to 0 means these terms become 0. Similarly up to these terms are 0 means here we get only yn minus 2 equal to a naught plus a1 into xn minus 2 minus xn plus a2 into xn minus 2 minus xn into xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1. a naught is yn plus a1 is del yn upon h. Xn minus 2 minus xn is xn minus xn minus 1 h. Xn minus 1 minus xn minus 2 h means xn minus 2 equal to 2h, but here xn minus 2 minus xn is minus 2h. Xn minus 2 minus xn minus 2h. Similarly, xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1 is minus h. So yn minus 2 equal to yn minus 2 del yn plus 2h square a2, which is equal to yn minus 2 del yn is yn minus 1 plus 2h square a2 equal to yn minus 2yn plus 2yn minus 1 plus 2h square a2 means, which is equal to yn minus 2yn is minus yn plus 2yn minus 1 plus 2h square a2 means 2h square a2 equal to yn minus 2 plus yn minus 2yn minus 1 plus yn minus 2. Sorry. Here we done. Just a minute. a2 2h square equal to yn minus 2 plus yn minus 2 yn minus 1 means a2 2h square equal to del square yn. This terms is equal to del square yn. Therefore, a2 equal to del square yn upon 2h square 2 can be written as 2 factorial means a2 equal to del square yn upon 2 factorial h square. Similarly, a3 equal to del cube yn upon 3 factorial h square and so on. An equal to del raised to n yn upon n factorial into h raised to n. We set here x equal to xn plus uh, which implies u equal to x minus xn upon h, and substituting for a0, a1, a2 and so on n in equation 1 we get f of xn plus uh equal to yn of x equal to yn plus u del yn, because here u equal to x minus xn upon h, x minus xn upon h. a1 is del yn upon h. For your understanding, write first equation f of xn equal to yn, which is equal to a0 plus a1 x minus xn plus a2 x minus xn into x minus xn minus 1 plus and so on plus n x minus xn minus 1 x minus xn minus 2 and so on x minus x1. Now put values of a0, a1, a2 and so on an. Yn equal to a0 is yn of xn equal to a0 is yn plus a1 is del yn upon h x minus xn plus a2 is del square yn upon 2 factorial h square x minus xn to x minus xn minus 2 plus and so on plus del cube yn upon del raised to n yn upon n factorial h raised to n x minus xn minus 1 and so on x minus x1. Now x minus xn upon h is u, x minus xn upon h is u into del yn plus del square yn as it is. This h square divides this and this, means del square yn upon 2 u into u plus 1. Similarly, plus and so on, plus u into u plus 1 into u plus 2 and so on, u plus n minus 1 upon n factorial del raised to n yn. Next, so required formula is yn of x equal to yn plus u del yn plus u into u plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn plus u into u plus 1 into u plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube yn plus and so on, plus u into u plus 1 into u plus 2 and so on, u plus n minus 1 upon n factorial del raised to n yn. This is called Newton's backward difference interpolation formula and is useful for interpolation near the end of the tabular values. Next example. By Newton's backward difference formula, find the values of e raised to minus 1.9 from the following table of values of e raised to minus x. X is 1, 1.25, 1.50, 1.75, 2. E raised to minus x is means value of y 0.3679, 0.2865, 0.2231, 0.1738, 0.1353. We construct the backward difference table first. Backward difference table. Values of x, values of y. Del y, del square y, del cube y, del raised to 4y. X is 1, 1.25, 1.50, 1.75, 2. Values of y are 0.3679, 0.2805, 0.2231, 0.1738, 0.1353. Del y is 0.2805 minus 0.3679 is minus 0.0814, 0.2231 minus 0.2805 is minus 0.0634, 0.1738 minus 0.2231 is minus 0.0493, 0.1353 minus 0.1738 equal to minus 0.0385. Similarly, del square y is minus 0.0634 minus of minus 0.0814 is 0.0180. Similarly, we get these values after calculating del cube y 0.0141 minus 0.0180 is minus 0.0039, 0.0108 minus 0.0141 is minus 0.003, minus 0.003 minus of minus 0.0039 is 0.0006. These values are nothing but the del y, means here xn, x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. x4 is 2, f of x4 is 0.1353. Here del y4, del square y4, del cube y4, del raised to 4 y4. By Newton's backward difference interpolation formula, by Newton's backward difference interpolation formula f of xn equal to yn of x equal to yn plus u del yn plus u into u plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn plus u into u plus 1 into u plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube yn plus and so on plus u into u plus 1 u plus 2 and so on u plus n minus 1 upon 4 factorial del raised to n yn n factorial upon n factorial. Now here there are 5 values x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 means n equal to 4 means f of x4 equal to y4 plus u del y4 plus u into u plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square y4 plus u into u plus 1 into u plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube y4 plus u into u plus 1 into u plus 2 into u plus 3 upon 4 factorial del raised to 4 y4 and del raised to 5 y4 del raised to 6 y4 are nothing but d0, so we neglect the terms. Now f of x4, to calculate f of x4 we have xn equal to 2, f of xn equal to means n equal to 4, so x4 equal to 2, f of x4 is 0.1353. So and given x is 1.9 because here table are x e raised to minus x means x is only 1.9 not minus 1.9. X is 1.9. We have formula u equal to x minus xn upon h, but here xn is nothing but d, x4 x minus x4 upon h. Interval of differencing is 1.25 minus 1 is 0.25, so h is 0.25. Common difference of values of x is 0.25. So x is 1.9 minus 0.1353 upon 0.25. Sorry, x4 is 2. Here we put f of x4 equal to 0.1353, but here we want x4, so 1.2 minus 2, 1.9 minus 2 upon 0.25, which is equal to minus 0.4. Minus 0.4. So here we get u equal to minus 0.4, xn equal to x4 equal to 2 and yn equal to f of x4 equal to 0.1353 and del yn equal to minus 0.0385, del square yn equal to 0.0108, del cube yn equal to minus 0.003, del raised to 4 yn is 0.0006, 0.006. Here n equal to 4 means del y4 is minus 0.0385, del square y4 is 0.0108, del cube y4 equal to 0.0033, del raised to 4 y4 equal to 0.0006. So f of 1.9 is, by using this formula, f of 1.9 equal to y4 is 0. This is nothing but the value of y4. y4 is 0.1353 plus u is minus 0.4 into del y4 is minus 0.0385 plus minus 0.4 minus 0.4 plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square y4 is 0.0108 plus minus 0.4 minus 0.4 plus 1 into minus 0.4 plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube y4 is minus 0.0033 plus minus 0.4 minus 0.4 plus 1 into minus 0.4 plus 2 into minus 0.4 plus 3 upon 4 factorial del raised to 4 y4 is into 0.0006. After calculating these terms, we get 0.14959, means f of 1.9 is 0.14959, means e raised to minus 1.9 equal to 0.14959. We stop here.